Our kitchen designs are so drastically different and we're really struggling to meet them in the middle. Let's call Connie.
I'm here.
Hi, Connie!
You guys actually have a lot of things that you do have in common, even though it may not feel like it.
Symbolic beach, I guess, more than literal beach.
Let's get designing.
All right, we worked so hard to find a middle ground between our aesthetics and we finally brought our Sims kitchen design to life.
Are you guys ready to see?
And here it is, our dream kitchen that we built using our designs from The Sims. Don't you love it?
Absolutely love it.
It looks so good. Can you even believe that we were able to take our two super different designs and make them one?
Truthfully, no, but I'm very happy with the result. And there's a couple of design elements that we really feel tie in both of our styles.
I would say incorporate things like teals and stuff like that. That still has that almost like darker kind of aesthetic and vibe, but it also has like the bright fun pop of colors.
All right, I'm sure you guys see it behind me, but this tile backsplash, it has a little bit of like a mermaid vibe. It has a pop of color, but exactly like Connie was talking about, adding these elements of like ocean and beachiness without it being too on the nose, so you just get like the vibe of it.
I actually do like that color a lot.
It's a really nice,
it is
yeah.
a nice color. So we were able to find a couple of cool ways of showing that the kitchen is lived in without being messy. We were able to have these jars out, show some of our favorite pantry items while kind of using them as decor as well.
If you have anything that's like not so cute to look at, you can stick it in a cupboard and call it a day. We had so many overlapping elements in our Sims design. We had to add these as Easter eggs throughout our kitchen design here.
I'm really happy because my number one concern was having some dark elements in the kitchen. And I got what I wanted. We have the really cool black pendant lighting, which I think was a cool way to incorporate something dark with literally something light. We also have the dark countertops, which I love, especially with like the lighter teal that you chose. It makes it pop.
Absolutely. I actually really like the black countertops. I think they are a cool contrast against all the other colors. It's still cool because I was able to add other wood elements, which I really love, and add to this kind of like naturey aspect. So we got like the oaky wood on this table. It just adds a little more lightness to it. It's not too like beachy mermaid. It's like edgy beachy mermaid.
Like if the beachy mermaid lived in Silver Lake.
Another thing that we both agreed on was plants, and more specifically live plants. And we've got a bunch, but
Love our
who's gonna water them?
I will water them, don't worry.
Plants offer the opportunity to get some cool vases as well. So we have some cool pops of color, and then of course we have our gnome. Can't forget. Most important
we
part.
can't forget that. Let's never forget the
Never
gnome.
forget. We did have a great opportunity for our wine storage up top. And not only does it help keep a really clean and organized kitchen, but it's also really pretty to display.
Who doesn't love wine?
Unfortunately, no hot tub though.
We have a little something for you in the fridge.
Ooh!
Yes!
Oh my
Now
god,
we have
that's me
everything.
scuba diving! I think this really closes out our
this is-
amazing dream kitchen that we designed in The Sims. And now we have everything we need. Oh, I feel so relieved. We did it. Our kitchen looks amazing. And we really were able to find a middle ground between both of our design aesthetics.
We were. I was wrong.
Say it again. Now we feel even more in love and compatible. Okay, can you guys find all the Easter eggs that we added from our Sims kitchen design in this kitchen? Comment down below.